Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add header and footer to the Only Certain Pages in Word or Microsoft Word. It's pretty easy, just follow the steps I'm going to show you. So let's head over to the video. Once you're in your Microsoft Word, head over to the Insert section. Here you can see under Header and Footer section, there is a header option and footer option. And if you want to add a header or footer, you can add it from here. Suppose I want to add header in here. So my header type will be like this, and the header is added right there. And in this way, you can add header and footer also in any ways. By footer, suppose I'm gonna choose this form of footer, and there it is, there it goes. My footer is added and my header is also. And if you want to close your header and footer, you can just close it from right here, and that's it. Your header and footer is added to your file. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.